All right, so in this video, we want to talk about date functions and count functions, new count functions here. There are very different types of date functions in Excel, but these are the most important ones that yeah, you work with them in this course. You can use them for your reports. When you usually create a report, you need to show the date and time, and then you can use these functions and they get updated every time you create a new report. They're pretty much similar and very easy to work with. Like I start with now function. It doesn't get any argument, and as you can see, it's showing today's date and time. And then if I go to this number format and I change it to long date, and you see the format changes. Now it says Wednesday, January 12th. Today is almost the same. Again, it shows me today's date. And I can choose whether a short date or a long date. You see, they're exactly the same. Another one is date function, but you see that it takes 3 arguments. And then if I say 2022, 4, and then 10, it will show me the date. Time function, as its name implies, you see that I can show time using this function. If I say 3 for hour, minute, 50, and second, 25, shows me the time. Sometimes it doesn't show. It's because that you chose the wrong number format. So if you change the number format, you can see what time is showing to you. Oops, sorry. For eDate, again, let me show you so you can see the arguments. Let's say that you want to see the date 5 months from now. You can give it a start date and then specify the number for the months, and then it shows you the date 5 months from now. I also wanted to show you how you can use these time functions as like nested function. When I'm using a nested function as an argument, as you know, we don't need to add another equal. You just type, like, let's say today. I want to see the date 5 months from today. And if I add 5, it shows me this number again, because I'm in the wrong format. If I change it to short date, then it shows me 6/12/2022, which is correct because today's the January 12th, right? So 5 months from now will be 6/12/2022. If I change this 5 to 0, it should return today's date, right? And it does. It's today's date. Oh, and you can give it a negative number like -2, and it shows you 2 months before, which was the 11/12/2021, right? So these are the time functions, and then these 2 last functions are count function. If I want to count string values, like these 2 values, usually it doesn't work with string value. If I choose this and I just want to count them, because these are not string values. These are numbers to count is working with this. But let's see if I have like here Zara and Nina and Sarah, and then I use count. It is not gonna count this value. You see that it counts numbers, but it doesn't count string value. So the solution is to use count A. So I use count A, and then it turns 3 to me, and it doesn't count empty cells. So if I again say count A, and then choose this range, it returns 3 to me. But what if I want to count the blank or empty cells? This is especially useful if you want to count number of missing values in your Excel, because it happens when you collect data, you're going to have some missing values, and these are it's very important when you want to do data analytics. You have to replace your missing values or remove them. So you can use this count blank to know how many empty cells you have in your worksheet. If I choose this range, you know that it's going to return 1 to me. Yeah, so it means that in this range I have only one empty value.